Are you looking to advance your online business performance? Empower your team with experts and educational services tailored to take your e-commerce to the next level with BigCommerce. Your success manager will be your single point of contact to help you reach your full potential with BigCommerce. Your manager will be an extension of your team, ensuring relevant platform updates. Every quarter, your success manager will create a success plan with new ideas designed to help you maximize success on the platform, with SEO recommendations and opportunities to grow. With technical account management, you can solve complicated tech issues with a team of technical advisors. Your manager will work with you to functionalities to your specifications. As your internal advocate at BigCommerce, your manager will oversee all aspects of your store's technological health and provide support case oversight. Your technical account manager will expedite the resolution of support cases, providing regular updates on bug fixes, feature requests, and new functionality relevant to your business. Plus, BigCommerce will provide regular advice and recommendations to help you improve efficiency and effectiveness on the platform, informing you on emerging trends and opportunities. With BigCommerce University, you can tap into training that transforms your business. BigCommerce will help you get a faster time to value with specialized training and improve your efficiencies. With its highly extensible SaaS platform certification courses, you can master BigCommerce design and API environments. You will also benefit from an enterprise growth package. You can let a BigCommerce growth coach show you how to turn slow website traffic into a river of eager shoppers who are ready to buy from you. Your coach will guide you in getting the most from your BigCommerce store by helping you discover the proper SEO and conversion strategies to propel your business. Whether your growth needs are SEO, conversion, or both, your BigCommerce growth coach will be right by your side to help you reach your goals. If you want to acquire BigCommerce services, you can get a special deal by clicking on the link in the description below. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more exciting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.